G'day. This is Dave. You're going to love him. He's got a PMS motor, which means he's small but unbelievably powerful.
But wait, there's more.
That's right. Dave's going to save you hours on installation with wireless first accessories, like this console. No more running cables.
But wait, there's more.
That is also correct. You only need one Dave. Then you drop in a high or low voltage power cartridge. Then you install, and your Sparky can come back another time and do their thing.
But wait, there's more. Call now and you'll get a free handle. That's right, a free handle. Warning, Dave's side effects may include transforming your business, saving time, saving money, and more.
All right, enough. Dave's your new best mate.
Oh, and the handle is not actually free.